Hare Krishna, respected Principal Mataji, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Raghuram from grade 10th K. Today I feel honored to speak on the topic culture of respect. Culture of respect, one of the greatest values that binds people together. It is not measured by wealth, power, age, or status. Instead, it is reflected in our words, our actions, and the way we treat others. A culture of respect is a society where everyone feels respected, valued, and appreciated. In today's fast moving world, people often focus on success, achievements, and competition. That is not the actual respect. But true success is incomplete without respect. Imagine a school where students respect their teachers. Teachers encourages the students in every activity, and students help each other from one place to one place and learning. This is the environment perfect for a students for learning, creativity, and happiness. This is what happens and naturally flourish. Respect actually begins at home. We learn to respect our parents, our grandparents, and siblings. It grows in school when we listen to our teachers, cooperate with our elders and classmates, and appreciate the efforts of every member of our school community. It extends when we respect people of different culture, religions, and language. A culture of respect also means respecting people even when we disagree them. In today's digital world, social media often focuses on criticism and discouraging others. But real strength lies in expressing our opinions politely without hurting others. As the famous saying goes, treat others the way you wanted to be treated. This simple principle can solve many conflicts and make stronger relationships. History has shown us the great leaders earned respect not through fear, but through kindness, honesty, and humility. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others." His life teaches us that respect grows through compassion and selfless service. Every small act of respect creates a positive impact. A simple thank you, listening patiently, helping someone in need, or appreciating another person's effort can brighten someone's day. These small gestures may seem ordinary, but altogether create an extraordinary culture of kindness and trust. My dear friends, we are the future of our nation. The values we practice today will shape the society we build tomorrow. I would like to conclude my speech. Respect is not something we demand, it is something we earn by giving it to others. Thank you and have a wonderful day.